Children, about irrational numbers, see root 3 plus minus root 3. How much? 0. And root 5 minus root 5, 0. And root 2 by root 2, 1. Root 2 into root 2 whole square is 2. See here, observe that sum of two irrational numbers will get a rational number. Difference between two irrational numbers is we got a rational number, and quotient root 2 by root 2 we will get rational number, 1 rational number. Root 2 into root 2 we will get a rational number. So it means we can say irrational numbers are not closed with respect to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Understood? Now, see for example 5 root 2. See example 12. Check whether 5 root 2, 5 root 2, 5 by root 2 and 21 plus root 3, 5 plus 3 are irrational numbers. Which one are irrational number in these? 5 root 2. We know that root 2 value, root 2 is equal to 1.414 dash dash dash. Non-terminating, non-repeating. So that's why it is irrational number. Root 2 is an irrational number. 5 root 2 means 5 into root 2. That means 5 into 1.414 dash dash dash. It becomes after multiply we will get 7.070 dash dash dash. It means this is also we will get non-repeating, non-terminating. So it means this is an irrational number. So 5 root 2 is an irrational number. So 5 is rational number but root 2 is an irrational number. The product of irrational and irrational becomes, we will get irrational number only. Now 5 by root 2. 5 divided by root 2. 5 divided by 1.414. Again we will get an irrational number only. Now 21 plus root 3. 21 plus root 3, 1.732 dash dash dash. Root 3 is an irrational number. We know that. So after adding 21 also we will get the same irrational number only. And 5 plus 3. 5 is an irrational number and 3. While adding 3 we will get the irrational number only. So all these irrational numbers only. 5 root 2. First one is 5 root 2. 5 by root 2. 21 plus root 3. 5 plus 3. These are all irrational numbers. See children, in the box, if Q is rational number and S is irrational number, then Q plus S, Q is rational. Q is rational number and S is irrational number. Then Q plus S is an irrational number only. And Q minus S also we will get irrational. And Q into S, QS is also irrational. Q divided by S also irrational. Okay? S is not is equal to 0. Then these are all irrational numbers. So if any irrational number adding to rational number also we will get irrational only. While subtracting irrational number from rational number also we will get irrational number only. Multiplying to rational number, irrational number, multiplying to rational number also we will get irrational only. While dividing by irrational number is also, the quotient is also an irrational number only. So finally these are all irrational numbers only. Understood? Now how to subtract, how to add, how to multiply these irrational numbers. See, for example 13, subtract 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5, this one, from 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. From this you have to subtract this one. So first you have to write 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3 minus of 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5. So now first remove the brackets. 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3 minus 7 root 5. See here, this is root 5 term and this is also root 5 term. Like terms, like surds. These are called surds. Right? Like surds you have to write together. 3 root 5 minus 7 root 5 minus 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3. Okay children. Now here 3 root 5 minus 7 root 5 becomes minus 4 root 5 minus root 3 minus root 5 minus 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3 minus 7 plus 5 12 root 3 minus 12 root 3. So this becomes minus of 4, you can take as common, minus 4 into root 5 minus 3 4s are 12 only, 3 root 3 minus taken as common, so plus minus 4 into root 5 plus 3 root 3. This is the final answer. Understood children? Now next example, multiply 6 root 3 with 13 root 3. Multiply 6 root 3 with 13 root 3. Okay. 6 into 13. Take the rational numbers first. 6 into 13 into root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. So 6 into 13, 78. 78 into 3. 78 3. 3 8 24. 23. So 234. Final answer is 234. Now some properties related to square roots. See, root A. Here A and B are positive real numbers. Root A into root B. The product is root of AB. Okay, root A into root B becomes root of AB. And root of A by B. How can you write? You can split as root A by root B. Okay, root A by root B. Here B is not is equal to 0. Next, root A plus root B into root A minus root B. How is it? A plus B into A minus B. So A plus B into A minus B becomes A square minus B square. So then here root A whole square minus root B whole square. This becomes A minus B. Root A whole square is A, root B whole square is B. A minus B. Next, A plus root B into A minus root B. A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. So, A square minus root B whole square. That becomes A square minus B. Understood? Next, root A plus root B whole square. Root A plus root B whole square. A plus B whole square. Remember, A square. What is A plus B whole square? a square plus a square plus 2ab plus b square. Understood? Remember children? Now like that, root a whole square plus 2 into root a into root b plus root b whole square. Okay, so root a whole square a plus 2 root a into root b root of ab plus b root b whole square is b. So a plus 2 root a of ab plus b. Okay. Now example 15. Simplify the following expressions. 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. Simplify, multiply. How to multiply? Okay. 3 into, first we have to write 3 into 2 plus root 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. In the previous class, in 8th class, we did like this, now like that. Now 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 3 into root 2, 3 root 2 plus root 3 into 2, 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 2, root of 3 into 2. Okay. Now 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. Root of 6. Understood children? Now see next one. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. See, before a plus b into a minus b form na? So a square minus b square. Here a square means 2 square minus b square plus b plus root 3 will be there, root 3 whole square. That is 2 square is 4 minus root 3 whole square is 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay. Next, root 5 plus root 2 whole square. A plus b whole square. Okay, a square plus b, 2ab plus b square. Here root a plus root b whole square. Root a plus root b whole square is equal to root a whole square means root a whole square plus 2 into root a into root b plus root b whole square. Okay, it means root a whole square is a plus 2 square root of ab plus b, root b whole square is b. Now here root a means root 5 is there. In the place of root a, root 5 is there. So it becomes what? Root 5 whole square means 5 plus 2 into root a into root b square root 5 into root 2 plus root 2 whole square means b means 2. Okay. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2 into root 5 into root 2. Root a into root b is equal to root of ab. So root of 5 to the 10. So 7 plus final answer is 7 plus 2 root 10. Understood children? Next. Root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. Root 5 plus root 2. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So that is root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Becomes 5 minus 2, 3. Understood? Now, rationalizing the denominator. See, children, root 2 irrational number. To rationalize that, what have to do? If you multiply root 2 by root 2, we will get 2 only rationalize. Understood? And root 3. If you multiply root 3 by root 3, we will get 3 rational. We got the rational number. If you multiply root 5 with root 5, we will get 5. Again, rational number. If you multiply root 8 to root 2, just now root a into root b is equal to root of ab. We told now. So, by using that, this becomes root of 8 into 2. That means root of 8 to the 16. Root 16 how much? 4. Rational number. So, means if you multiply the number, the another rational number, we will get the another irrational. An irrational number multiplied by another irrational number, we will get a rational number. So here these two together are called rationalizing factor, RF. RF means rationalizing factor. RF. Root 2 is rationalizing factor of root 2. Okay. And root 3 is rationalizing factor of root 3. Root 5 is rationalizing factor of root 5. Rationalizing factor, this is the rationalizing factor of this. Root 2 is rationalizing factor of root 8. For root 8 into root 8 also we will get root 8 only. 8 only, rationalizing number only. Root 8 into root 8 becomes 8, rationalize only. Okay, but here root 2 is the smallest one. So, than this, if you, the number will be, which is the smallest one, rationalizing factor so many will be there. In that, least one you have to take the RF. Okay. So, then, when multiply root 8 by root 2, we will get a rational number. So, then, RF of root 8 is root 2. Understood? RF of root 6, root 6 only. Root 6 into root 6, 6. Root 7 of root 7 into root 7, 7. So, RF of root 7 is 7 only. But RF of root 8, we will write root 2. Understood? Now, this is called RF. Now, denominators we have to rationalize. See, for example, 1 by root 2 is there. Denominator is irrational. So, to rationalize the denominator, you have to multiply root 2 RF. What is the RF of root 2? Root 2 only. RF of root 2 is root 2 only. So, then multiply the denominator by root 2. If you multiply the denominator by root 2, I have to multiply numerator also by root 2. Then it becomes what? Numerator 1 into root 2, root 2. Denominator root 2 into root 2, 2. So, denominator becomes rationalized. So, this is rationalizing the denominator. Understood? See, do this. 1 by 2 root 3. 1 by 2 root 3. Rationalize the denominator. Here what is the irrational number? Root 3. So, for root 3 what is RF? RF of root 3? RF of root 3 is root 3 only. So, the denominator multiply by root 3. Then numerator also multiply by root 3. So, what is the numerator remain? 1 into root 3 by 2 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3? 3 only. So, numerator root 3 by denominator 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. So, it becomes, denominator becomes 6. Root 3 by 6. Okay. Now, 3 by root 5. 3 by root 5. So, rationalize RF of root 5. What is the RF of root 5? RF of root 5 is root 5 only. RF of root 5 is root 5 only. So multiply the denominator by root 5 and numerator also multiply by root 5. 3 root 5 by root 5 into root 5, 5. So 3 by root 5 becomes 3 root 5 by 5. So the RF of like that you can change denominator as rationalize. 1 by root 8. Root 8, what is the RF of root 8? RF of root 8 is root 2 only. So multiply the denominator by root 2 and numerator also by root 2. So here the numerator becomes root 2 by the denominator root of 8 into 2. So then root 2 by root of 16. That becomes root 2 by root of 16 is 4. So 1 by root 8 equals to root 2 by 4. Here the denominator becomes rationalize. Understood? Now 1 by 4 plus root 5. 1 by 4 plus root 5. Example 16. See here, to rationalize the denominator, we have to take the RF of denominator. Here what is the denominator? How is it? A plus root b. Like this it will be there. So a plus root b into a minus root b. We know that. How much? A square minus b. Rationalize only na? So we have to take